games, so I wanted to continue this tradition and do some more gaming stuff. Yeah. So I work at Donnerdungeon, which is a German-based startup, and we want to focus on gaming applications for Lightning. What we did before, what I did at the last Hack Days was, for example, a Minecraft server-side plugin which allowed payments from the user to the server without any client-side mods. So they could just use their Eclair mobile wallet. And my main thing I did was for the Unity game engine, which is the biggest game engine for indie developers, is to develop a Lightning plugin. So you can see a Blockstream sticker purchase with virtual reality. And so I did these developer tools, but actually no one used them. So I had to make my own game basically, and this is why I came here today. So why Lightning in games? I think both ecosystems need it. Gaming needs it because its monetization system is very shady at the moment, I think. And yeah, if you see all these mobile games with their diamond tokens, it's just getting annoying. And they say it's microtransactions, but it's not. You need to pay $1 to do anything, basically. And for Lightning, it would be amazing to onboard new users, and these PC gamers, they have good computers. They can run a full node. They can contribute to our network. So the game I made is currently called Donnerdungeon, but this is a working title. Originally, there was a dungeon, but now there is none. And we designed the game from ground up for Lightning. So it's not we took an existing game and slapped Lightning on top of it. We thought, okay, what can we do with payments? It's an asymmetric multiplayer game where viewers play against one player, basically. And the idea behind it was that, okay, we use Twitch, for example, as a streaming platform, or any streaming platform, and the chat plays against the streamer. Because it is a big monetization model at the moment in gaming to be a streamer. And I think those payments are pretty boring. You pay dollars for a message to the streamer. I don't know, we can make it cooler, I think. So the payments directly affect the gameplay, which means you make it harder for the player, but he likes it because he gets more money. The gameplay-wise, it's a real-time action, like Diablo, for example. You play with a controller, and it's like a village, and they try to purge this witch, and it has a little bit of a tower defense aspect to it, where you don't want monsters to get inside your base as the witch. So this is how it works. The game connects to the LND node via gRPC that's built into my Unity plugin, and viewers can request invoices via IRC. That's the cool thing, Twitch uses IRC, so you can also run the game on Freenode, for example, wherever you want. And after successful payment, the command gets executed. So when we thought about how to set the price, it was an easy choice because you want to play with your friends, you want to play against one person, basically, but you also want to play against thousands of people. So we thought about the system of a base Satoshi price, which affects every other price in the game. So currently there are two types of payments, but we still think of some cooler, some like dynamic markets and stuff like this. The first one is you buy a monster. You can see in the top banner how this looks like in the UI. So you can spawn these monsters, and the monsters have your name on it, and the player directly sees, okay, this player spawned me that mob. The other payment is the wave pool payment. This is a type of payment where you don't pay a fixed price, but you choose the price. So every set time, a wave spawns basically, and you can increase the power of this wave. So this was so that, okay, the base Satoshi price is 1,000 Satoshi, that's too expensive for you, so you choose to pay 50 Satoshi in this pool. And we have a leaderboard system where you can see the damage done and these souls taken and also the Satoshi invested. And you also can see what you earned so far. So yeah, this is like early, it's very, I have to say it's very early gameplay, so We worked on this for 2 months. So yeah. So this is where, on the left side, you can see where the monsters are spawned. And the player tries to defend them from going to the right. And we have this like weird upgrade system. It's totally not balanced yet, but the player gets stronger as he levels up, as he kills more monsters, so he has motivation to fight longer. And we currently do not have a goal for the player, but that will probably change. We think of something, okay, after a set amount paid, you spawn a boss, something, so that the streamer knows exactly if he finishes one round what he will earn, to make it more transparent for both the viewers and the player. Here's another, this is more, okay, now you're stronger, but also the enemies are a lot stronger, so you shoot more, you are faster. Yeah. So where we are at, playing is fun. It's hard to balance at the moment. We're very early. The gameplay loop makes fun. Yeah, but the really fun part is paying, because it's really fun to spawn like 100 mobs. It gets laggy, and you know you're pissing off the other person, so that's pretty fun. But it's a lot of polish. It's 2 months old. We're thinking about how to improve it. The upgrade system will get reworked, and it will be more transparent and cooler, I think. Yeah, we're starting alpha testing, so you can currently yeah.
So who's paying here? Is the player paying, or is the streamer paying?
I can show it too, but the viewers are paying against the streamer, basically. So the payment stream is one direction at the moment, from the viewers to the streamer.
Okay.
Yeah, we want to do alpha testing, so I have some alpha keys with me. If you want one, you can activate them on Steam, because of course we will sell the game for with Lightning, but we want to sell on Steam. I think we need that if we want to get a bigger audience, and so that we can bootstrap and onboard people. So the idea is that we include a wallet with the game that gets automatically installed, not at the moment, so currently we're using Zap Wallet. And when the game starts, we can authenticate the user via the Steam API and actually open a channel up to him, so he has inbound capacity, which is pretty important for this type of game. And we're thinking of like gifting them Bitcoin. Half of the price of the game will be gifted in Bitcoin, basically. So you buy Bitcoin if you buy the game on Steam. I think that would be pretty cool. So the easiest way to start in Lightning would be to buy a game on Steam. I think that could help a lot. And the streamer could just say, oh, how do I get started playing? Yeah, just buy the game on Steam. You get channels into the network, and you can pay, basically. So what you can do is, I want to set up for tomorrow, maybe some PlayStation, or where we can, in the other room where we can play and like have a bigger session. It's very unbalanced, but I think it could be fun. If you want alpha access, you can contact me. I will give you my email address. Also, we're hiring back-end developers, game developers, if you want to join us. I don't know. We haven't thought about if remote works, but probably, yeah. And you can join our metrics community, try out the plugin if you're a game developer, or if you're not a game developer. So I'm a game developer since 2 months, so apparently it works. And if you like Minecraft, join our Minecraft server. All right, thank you.
I know you said that the village could play against the player, but let's just say I wanted to donate to the player itself, become stronger. Mm-hmm. Is that functionality there as well?
Not yet. We're thinking about it, but I think then it's even harder to balance. If we don't know how strong the player gets, and we don't know, then it would be hard to balance that he has still a challenge. So we're thinking at the moment of just doing, you can pay against the player. But I mean, you're gifting him Satoshi, so. And we also think, okay, let's make another type of multiplayer where you play against the other streamer, and now you play with your chat against the other streamer. That would be fun as well, I think. Yeah, so I can show you a short demo.
Also, sorry, one more. I was wondering, it's going to include a wallet, so you can preload it. So you don't always have to keep pulling your wallet out of your phone.
Yeah, I mean, we can't preload it, but we can gift them Bitcoin. basically. So the idea is you start the game, we open a channel to you, you play the tutorial, if you finish it, if you play a round of single play, the channel is open, and the game automatically sends us an invoice and we pay that, so you have like a starting balance in the Lightning network. Okay, so this is how it looks like. I'll just put it down here. So yeah, it's pretty basic. The UI is totally ugly, but it's a start. So on the right you see this like the statistics for the viewer that are interesting to him. On top is a little bit for the player. And we have like this, so I can shoot, I have a melee attack, I have a dash, and I can upgrade myself, but this is not where it's going to be. So I can shoot more. And how it then works is you go to any IRC channel that you have set up in the config, and then you can say, okay, I want to spawn an archer. And then you get the invoice, and thanks to the residency, we probably, when this release, have a really cool browser plugin so that you can instantly pay it. And also you get the invoice whispered, which is a Twitch functionality, but I have it disabled at the moment. And now if I pay, so the payment has gone through. You see there's an archer, it bears my name, and I as a streamer now know that this guy has sent me this mob. And yeah, I can fight it. So that's basically it. I think we should try to have a play session tomorrow. It would be pretty fun if you have a node set up. I think it's fun, but let's see that.
It is. To play tomorrow, what do we have to have?
Mainnet, just a mainnet node.
Oh, because you can watch the streamer. Right?
Yeah, like you would watch me on a screen or you playing.
I want to.
Yeah, you should play. Yeah.
So like, I was thinking that it might be a problem to sell people the game with some preloaded money, because somebody would then buy the game on Steam and then reverse the credit card and then
yep.
pay some Bitcoins. But actually, Lightning will give you a way to deal with it.
Okay.
That I was thinking about. You can create a special channel where they can only pay you, and then the only exits are actually ones that are controlled by both you and the user. So you can't.
Oh wow.
Well, you couldn't take the user's money. They couldn't just run off of it. You could create like a way to pay for the game on an ongoing basis, or a way to earn money on an ongoing basis. It would still lock you and wouldn't require reversing.
Okay, that sounds pretty cool, yeah.
That could be like a feature that we could add in LND and say like there's limits on how it can close, and we pre-agree on the limits about how it can close.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that sounds pretty cool. I just thought about it yesterday, credit card reverse. I haven't thought about it before, but yeah, the idea of that we give them Bitcoin it would be pretty cool, but I don't know if it's legal with the Steam terms of service. I don't know.
Well, if it were locked to you, it would be more like a credit, right?
Yep.
It would be like, so the limit would be you would have to they always have to use your channel that they say you pay.
Mm-hmm. It's pretty cool.
Well, if like Fortnite would say it's free, let's say it's a free game, but to play it you have to buy the Bitcoin, then that helps solve that.
That would help, but then you wouldn't play the game. I think it wouldn't. Okay, you have to get through the hurdle of setting up Bitcoin and Lightning. That's what I just want to take away from the user. Yeah, and that's why I really want to get on Steam, because I think, okay, there are a lot of people who have Steam credit because they sold some items of Counter-Strike, and they can say, oh wow, I can invest into Bitcoin with the Steam credit. If they play my game, I don't care, but they started using Lightning, and that I think is pretty cool.
I've seen it done through the App Store. There was an EOS wallet that was doing the same.
Okay.
And you bought it through the App Store. They used the money that they earned through that to pay for the first EOS or something like that. So it kind of.
I think it could work. Yeah. I mean, there's probably some legal wording you can do that it's not you don't sell Bitcoin. You just we give you Bitcoin, how much we have, blah blah blah, whatever. I think there's a way around it. And if they shut us down, then we have the Streisand effect. Yeah, thank you.